Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 32, October 6, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Cancer, what's coming to you this week for Cancer? Study. Meron kayong nire-research, inaalam. So, pwedeng formal na pag-aaral to. Naka-enroll kayo sa isang traditional school. Or this can be an online school. Something about your curiosity. So, mas nagiging curious ka about something, about a lot of things na nandoon yung inyong focus. Pwedeng pag-aaral ng bagong negosyo or bagong skill set. You also have confidence. Oh, okay. So, I think itong pinag-aaralan nyo, alam nyo na magbibigay ito ng confidence sa inyong sarili. Kasi syempre, di ba, the more na marami kang alam, the more na marami kang pwedeng i-share sa iba. At when you share it to them na nalaman nila marami kang alam, this will boost your confidence kasi, you can carry any conversation. Diba? Masarap kayang kausap yung mga taong maraming alam. Yung totoong maraming alam na alam nila yung pinagsasasabi nila. Lalo na pag confident tong taon na to na i-express yung kanyang sarili. You also have passion. Okay. Some of you, you are going to be more passionate sa isang idea, sa isang kaalaman, sa isang area of life, especially in your career. Like, example, meron kang passion for your business or for your specific career, yung field na trabaho mo ngayon. Or anything na makakapagdagdag ng knowledge mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng madalas kayo magbasa ng libro that will enhance your brain. And also, maari rin, itong passion na to, pwede rin romantic connection for some of you. Someone here is willing to get to know you. Gusto ka pang mas makilala. Your overall energy, the Four of Wands. This is happiness. This is also celebration ng mga pinangarap mo or trinabaho mo, in-effortan mo. It's like, para kang nagtanim, tapos ito yung harvest time mo. Okay? Maaring itinanim mo ang pag-aaral, tapos graduation, di ba? Nakagraduate ka, ganong energy, no? Or nag-try kang mag-save ng pera for, not actually savings, but invest, no, ng pera, tapos nakita mo, nag-grow yung pera mo. And some of you will also be focusing more on your finances, career, or business, or family. May achievement. You have the Ace of Cups as a challenge. Yung iba sa inyong Cancer, pwedeng very busy kayo sa inyong sarili, sa pag-grow ng career, business ninyo, or kung ano may pinagkakaabalahan nyo. And maaring merong person na it can be a new love. Oo. Pero challenge sa inyo kasi pwedeng you're not yet ready for this new love. Pwedeng, or maaring hindi mo gusto itong person na to. I also see here na meron ditong humihingi ng chance or nagsisay sorry, na humihingi ng forgiveness. May peace offering. Pero it seems na hindi ka sigurado kung sincere ba siya sa'yo. Sincere ba yung paghingi niya ng tawad? Your opportunity, you have the Three of Cups, so celebration. Alam nyo, this week, Cancer, marami kang isa-celebrate na kahit mga small wins, no? Na goal mo, tapos na-achieve mo. So, syempre, very exciting yun, no? Na wow, goal mo lang siya tapos na-achieve mo. Kahit maliit na bagay, still, you have to celebrate that. Kasi nag-i-invite yan ng mga happy hormones na bibigyan sa'yo ng magandang energy that will manifest in whatever you do, no? So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may promotion. Oo, may promotion sa work, or kung hindi man ikaw, yung mahal mo sa buhay, so syempre nadadamay ka na dun, lalo na kung romantic partner mo. And you also have an opportunity to have a reunion with your friends or family members. Your blessing is the King of Cups. Okay, so for some of you na merong relationship, the person that you're dealing with is a blessing sa'yo. Lalo na kung lalo na kung wala kayong problema, no? So, syempre kung may problema kayo sa buhay, tapos toxic, baka hindi para sa'yo itong reading na to. But, for some of you, there is a person who is really very caring sa'yo, someone na mahal ka, and that person is a blessing. Kung asawa mo to, or someone like loving you unconditionally like your parents, so I see that merong certain happiness dito because this person is really, parang ano siya, reciprocated na love, no? If you are single, I'm seeing baka merong nagkakaroon ng romantic interest sa inyo na medyo mas matanda sa inyo, like more than 10 years yung tanda. Pero yung iba preferred yon kasi parang mas mature, no? Or mas mature yung isa, so nagko-complement yung energy. Pwede rin namang mature mag-isip, pero bata pa, di ba? May mga ganun. So, sa money, career, finances, you have, may babalikan ka raw na career or business na nagawa mo na in the past. Or meron kang technique na gagawin or dati mong ginagawa na technique na makakatulong ngayon sa trabaho mo, sa business, or sa career mo. And maging maingat, no, sa mga spendings, sa mga decision mo pagdating sa pera. Kailangan daw meron kang backup plan. Na, halimbawa, meron kang goal, tapos may plan A, may plan B, plan C. Para pag hindi nag-work yung plan A, pwede ka sa plan B or plan C. You have the Hierophant. So, some of you may opportunity kayo na magkaroon ng mentor or someone who will help you, give you more information, teach you. May magtuturo sa inyo. No? You also have the Devil. Ooh, okay. The Devil card is about, obsession, anything unhealthy, no? So, maaring, when it comes to your finances, things are going well for you, but nasa sayo pa rin yan on how are you going to spend your money, 'di ba? Pwedeng overflowing yung blessing sa finances mo, pero hindi ka naman marunong mag-handle ng pera mo, na nagagamit mo lang siya sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga helpful sa'yo. Okay? So, some of you, meron kayong mga unhealthy habits na i-release or something that will, parang bibigyan ka ng advice ng isang tao na, ito, iwasan mo tong gawin kasi hindi to nakakabuti sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, ganon. So, at least there is someone na concerned sa'yo or someone na magsasabi ng mga bagay na mas makakabuti at hindi. No? Sa relationship, merong red flags. Oh, okay, Cancer. If there is a person in your life right now na nakikitaan mo na ng red flags, yung tipong parang medyo off na siya, no, sa'yo. Whether karelasyon mo to or someone na merong interest sa'yo. Know that marami kang option. Hindi mo kailangang magtiyaga sa isang tao, sa isang relationship, para lang masabing meron kang relationship. Kasi may iba ka pang option, no? Lalo na kung red flags tong person na to. You have the 3 of Wands. Meron kang i-explore pa na ibang opportunities in terms of relationship. Pwedeng this person is abroad or long distance relationship. With the Emperor, pag ano lang, kumbaga, pay attention lang kung itong taong to is medyo controlling na sa'yo, na lahat na lang kinokontrol sa buhay mo. Kasi pwedeng maging problema yan sa relationship ninyo in the future. Okay? I mean, okay lang naman na medyo maghigpit, pero wag namang OA. Happiness. Your thinking will either make your happiness or take your happiness, you choose. O ayun, nasa mindset yan. Yung pagiging masaya. Na yes, may mga times na parang feeling down tayo, pero syempre, it is also our responsibility na i-lift natin yung sarili natin. Lift up, 'di ba? Think of things na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. So at least you are changing the mindset. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.